Hello, this is Jane and Reviews, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by Lipo6 Black. So this is how it looks. It's 120 capsules. So this is how they look. So you have to basically drink these 3 capsules. I'm only showing one, but the serving dose is 3 a day. And don't drink it 6 hours before you go to bed. So that's how they look. They have this security cap. They are going to help you with the cravings, not to have as much cravings. It's also going to boost your metabolism and increase the levels of energy and encourage weight loss and burning fat. Here are the supplement facts. So it does contain caffeine, just for you to keep in mind. I hope you enjoy the product as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.